Hello, this is Jordan Dundee again, and there's Eric Irwin there. And quickly now, we're on the mission for the kill of Fridge. Let's go.
We gotta go get it right now.
Quiet. The kill of Fridge.
Listen to its cry for help. Energy guide. The beast has name. This is a broken Nice knowing you. Better you than me.
I was on the verge of bankruptcy.
I was on the verge of bankruptcy.
I was on the verge of bankruptcy. I was on the verge of bankruptcy. I was on the verge of bankruptcy. I was on the verge of bankruptcy. I was on the verge of bankruptcy.
I got over my bankruptcy.